Good morning, students. We are going to deal with the next stanza of the poem "An Elementary School Classroom in a Slum." Okay, and the next stanza is, before this we have seen that the poet has called Shakespeare as a wicked, and he has explained that the children who are sitting in the classroom of slum are in a very miserable condition, pitiable condition. Their life starts from darkness and it ends in the darkness. What was the cause of their life? They were unable to understand. Their life starts in fog and it ends in fog. Fog means darkness. Their life starts in darkness and it ends in darkness. And the next stanza, the children wear skins. Be careful. The children. Who are these children? These children who are sitting in the classroom. These children who are sitting in the classroom. The children who are sitting in the classroom wear skins. It means to say that the poet wants to say that the students who are sitting in the classroom are looking like skeleton. It seems that they are having skins on the bones. They are having skins on the bones. Peeped through by bones. Peeped through by bones. What is the meaning of peeped? Coming out. Coming out. Okay? And the poet is saying that their bones are peeping out from their skins. It means to say, at all we can say that the poet wants to convey the idea to the readers that the students who are sitting in the classroom, are very lean and thin. They are just like skeleton. They are wearing skins on the bones and the bones are peeping out, coming out from the skins. At all, they are very lean and thin. Spectacles of steel with mended glass. The spectacles which they are wearing at that time, the spectacles which they were wearing, at that time, it was made of steel. It was made of steel, and the glasses of the spectacles were broken, and they have joined it. They have mended it with mended glass. They have joined it. Once again, spectacles of steel. So the slum school children are having the spectacles, and these spectacles are made of steel with mended glass. The glasses are broken and they have joined it. They have mended it. Okay? Just like bottles bits on stone. Like bottles, as you throw a bottle on stones, and it is scattered into pieces. That bottle is scattered into pieces when you throw it on stones. Just like that, glasses, the glasses of the spectacles are. Just like that, the glasses of the spectacles are. Once again, like bottles bits on stone, as we throw a bottle on stones and it is scattered into pieces. Okay? So just like that, the glasses of the spectacles are broken. The glasses of spectacles are broken into pieces, and these children have mended it. These children have joined it. Okay? All of their time and space are foggy slum. All of their time and space, they are wasting their life, their time, their space. All these things in the slum, which is full of darkness. Once again, all of their time and space are foggy slum. They are wasting their time and space in the slum which is full of darkness. Foggy slum. So blot these maps means to say all of their time and space are foggy slum, means to say their life are just like a hell. Their life are just like a hell. They are in hell. They are not in a good condition. They are in a worst condition. Okay? Once again, I would like to repeat, all of their time and space are foggy slum. all of their time and space. It means to say their life are just their life are as they are in a hell, they are in worst condition. Okay, so blot these maps, blot their maps with slums as big as Doom. Oh, so blot these maps with slums as big as Doom. Blot, stain, blot, stain. Okay, so once again pay attention. These maps. So blot their map. So these maps are just like a blot. Dhabba, stain. These maps are just like a blot. Why the map is just like a blot? Because the map is expressing to the richness, to the well-being, to the prosperousness, and the life which they are leading. The life which they are leading is full of dirtiness, underfed, ruining, just like hell. Just like hell. Yes, just like hell. Just like hell. Okay, once again. So blot their maps with slum as big as Doom. As big as Doom. This map refers to the richness. This map refers to the richness, beautifulness, prosperity, and well-being inhabited by the rich people and the great people. And the windows refers to the liars. The windows refers to the liars, cottage, huts. So the poet is saying that the map is just like a blot. The map is just like a blot in the life, just like a blot in the life of the slum children. In the life of the slum children. Because the map is as big as Doom. The map is as big as Doom. Okay, it means to say that these students are unfortunate. They are in a worse condition. They are in a bad condition. Okay. Yes. Okay. Their life is just like a stain. Their life is just like a stain, and they can never lead a life just like the rich person. Just like the rich person, as the rich person. Okay. This is the next stanza. This is the next stanza. Okay, this is the next stanza. Unless governor, inspector, visitor. Okay, unless governor means to say the poet wants to say that these persons, governor, inspector, visitors, these persons should try to uplift the life standard of these slum children. Once again, unless governor, inspector, visitors, unless you know the condition of the world, you know the condition of the world. Okay, these persons always promises from the slum children, from the poor, but perhaps those promises are rarely kept, rarely fulfilled. Okay, and the poet is saying, unless governor, inspector, visitor, this map becomes their window. Try to understand. The poet is saying that governor, inspector, and visitors should try to make their window this map. Should try to make their window this map. Why he is saying so? Because when this map will become their window, and the map is referring to the richness, to the prosperousness, to the well-being. So he is saying that these persons should try to make the window for these slum children this map. Means to say they should also be provided chance. They should also be provided chance. Okay, they should also be provided chance for the study, for the upliftment. They should be given opportunity. So the poet is saying that if these persons are not going to work for the slum children, there will be no upliftment in the life of these slum children. And these persons, whether he is governor, inspector, or visitor, these persons should try to make their window this map. It means to say, let the prosperity flooded in the area of the slum. Prosperity, because the map is expressing to the prosperity, map is expressing to the richness, map is expressing to the well-beings. Okay, so he is saying, so the poet is saying that these persons should try to make this map their windows, so that they should enjoy the pleasure, the happiness, the spring, the joy, the delight in their life. Until they are not going to work, there will be no improvement in the life of these slum children. And these windows, once again, if you are having any problem, next day you can consult to me, because in next day you will have only doubt classes. Okay, once again, unless governor, inspector, visitor, this map becomes their word. If these persons are not going to make their window this map, why I am focusing on this word? Because this map word is expressing to the richness, to the well-beings. It means to say at all, we can say that these persons should try to make the life of these slum children full of prosperousness, full of happiness, full of delightfulness. Okay, and these windows that set upon their life like a catacomb. Catacomb means grave. Catacomb means grave. Guys, and these windows word is used for the windows of the classroom. The windows of the classroom has confined their life. The windows of the classroom has confined their life. So, these windows that set upon their life like a catacomb. These windows, the windows of the classroom has confined the life of the slum children as a man in grave. Confine their life. Okay, confine, make limited. Once again, and these windows word is used for the windows that is in the classroom. The classroom windows has confined the life of these slum children, and the life of the slum children is just like a dead person who is lying in the grave. They cannot enjoy freedom, they cannot enjoy openness, they cannot enjoy river. Just like that, these windows has confined, made limited their life. Break open till they break the town. Don't bother that the poet is saying to break the town. No, he is not saying to break the town. He is appealing from these authorities. That all the hindrance, all the problems which is standing in the way of their success should be broken. Once again, break open till they break the town. The poet is not advocating, the poet is not saying to break the town. No. The poet is saying that all the problems, all the hindrance which is standing in the way of their success should be broken. And so these children green fields. And green fields means let them enjoy openness. And so the children to the green fields. And the poet is so means let them enjoy openness. Okay, sorry. Okay, yes. And where? Yes. And so the children fields, and so the children green fields, and let them enjoy the green fields. Let them enjoy green field word. I am telling you just openness. Let them enjoy green fields. Let them enjoy openness. Let them enjoy starry skies full of stars. Okay, and make their world, and and let them make these green fields their world. And let them make these green fields their world. And let them make these green fields their world. Okay. Next, run azure blue sky. Run azure on gold sands. And run azure on gold sand means to say gold sands. Where will be gold sands? On the bank of the rivers. So the poet is saying their world run azure on gold sand. Let them enjoy open sky, blue sky, azure, blue sky. Let them enjoy blue sky and gold stands. And gold stands. Sorry.